Hi children, good morning children. How are you children? Yes, you are very fine and you have to do your works very systematically and in a discipline you have to do your works. Okay children? Yes. Yesterday in the previous class, what we finished? We have learned about the digestive system. Yes children? Yes. Digestion of food gets completed in the small intestine. In the small intestine. Have you seen? Yes. In the small intestine here. Okay children? Small intestine. Yes children? Okay? Is the digestion of food gets completed in the small intestine. The remaining undigested material is pushed into the large intestine. Yes, when food passes through the large intestine, water and some minerals get absorbed by the, okay children, water and some minerals get absorbed by the anus and pushed the undigested, okay, and the undigested food waste out of the body. Yes, and we get energy from the food we eat. We get energy, okay, from where do we get? Yes, the food we eat. So we should eat healthy food. We should eat healthy food and take care of our digestive system. Yes children? Okay children, what will happen if we do not eat food? If we do not eat food, the body will get, yes, it will be very, we will feel sick. Yes, okay children? If we do not eat food, the body will not get the nutrients and energy it needs to work. Yes, and so we will feel tired quickly. And if we do not eat food for 8 days, what happens? What happens? Our body will become thin and weak, and we can't stand and we can't sit and we can't move from one place to another place. We may also become sick. Okay, what will happen? What will happen if we are not eating the food for 8 days? Yes, if we are not eating the food for 8 days, we will become sick. Okay, children? If our digestive system does not work, what happens? What happens, children? Yes, if the food we eat will not get broken down and we will have indigestion. Yes, indigestion may cause. What happens if the indigestion means? Yes, it may cause the stomach pain, vomiting, and so on. For a healthy digestive system, we must keep our mouth, tongue, and teeth clean. Yes, if our digestive system should work perfectly means the mouth and the tongue and the teeth also you should keep them clean. Brush twice a day. Okay children? Yes children, amazing fact. The mouth produces about 1.7 liters of saliva every day. This amount is almost the same that as of a big bottle of Coca-Cola. Yes, the salivary glands in our mouth produces saliva. Okay children? Okay children? So that keep your health properly and look after your health properly. Eat a healthy food and keep your digestive system properly first. Okay children? Open your textbook children, page number 7. Digestion of food gets completed in the small intestine. The remaining undigested material is pushed to the large intestine. When the food passes through the large intestine, water and some minerals get absorbed by the walls of the large intestine. Then it pushes the remaining waste matter into the anus. Anus pushes the undigested food waste out of the body. Application. We get energy from the food we eat, so it is important to eat healthy food, take care of different organs of the digestive system. What will happen if we do not eat food? If we do not eat food, the body will not get the nutrients and energy it needs to work. So we will feel tired quickly if we do not eat for very long periods of time. Our body will become thin and weak due to the lack of nutrients. We may also become sick. What will happen if our digestive system does not work? The food we eat will not get broken down. We will have indigestion. Indigestion may cause stomach pain, vomiting, and so on. It is essential to take care of our mouth. It helps in digestion and tasting food. So, for a healthy digestive system, we must keep our mouth, tongue, and teeth clean. Okay, children? Take the classwork, children. We have finished our first lesson. The classwork, children. Lesson number 2. Name of the lesson, digestive system. First bit, new words. First one, digestion. Digestion. Energy. Energy. Liver. Liver. Stomach. Stomach. Small intestine. Small intestine. Okay, children? Large intestine. Large intestine. Saliva. Saliva. Bile. Heaviest. Heaviest. Okay, children? Nutrients. Okay, children? First, draw the line with the scale right here. Again, you draw the line right here. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it should be. Okay, children? Okay, children. Take your workbook, children. Page number 6. Digestive system. Multiple choice questions. Okay. Which of the following is not a part of the digestive system? Stomach, small intestine, heart, large intestine. Which one, children? C. Option C. Okay, children? And name the part of the digestive system which connects the mouth to the stomach. What is the answer? The liver. The options are there. The liver, food pipe. Okay, children? Anus and small intestine. Which is correct, children, in this? Is B. Yes. Food pipe. And the fill in the blanks, children. The breaking down of food inside our body is called dash. What is that? Digestion. That is digestion. Yes. And dash is a stretchy bag-like organ of the digestive system. What is that? It is a stomach. It's a stomach. Okay, children? And very short answer questions. Okay. The name of the part. Name the part of the digestive system where digestion starts. Where it starts, children? Starts from the mouth. Yes. And which is the largest and the heaviest organ in the body? Which one? Liver. Yes. And here you see in the page number 7, children. Short answer question. Label the parts of the digestive system. Label the parts of the digestive system. Okay. You only should write this, children. Okay, children? Children, multiple choice questions. Which of the following is not a part of the digestive system? Which one is correct in this? Yes. Which one? You should write there. It is not a part. You have to write C. Yes. Name the part of the digestive system which connects the mouth to the stomach. Which one? B. Food pipe. Fill in the blanks, children. The breaking down of food inside our body is called digestion. The dash is a stretchy bag-like organ of the digestive system. It's stomach. Very short answer question, children. Name the part of the digestive system where digestion starts. Mouth. Answer is mouth. Which is the largest and the heaviest organ in the body? Which one, children? Liver. Okay. And you have to see in the textbook and you have to write this answer on your own. Okay. Children, you have to write in the classwork the new words of the second lesson. Yes. Second lesson, new words you have to write. Okay. And whichever the work we are going to give, you have to complete on that day itself, children. Okay, children.